Hello everyone. Now we'll go for the numerical or an example of Bezier curve. So example first on Bezier curve. So I read the question, you listen question carefully. I am writing here a given data only. A Bezier curve is controlled by 3 points uh, P0, 4, 2, then P1, 0, 0, P2, 2, 8. Determine number 1 the degree of the Bezier curve. Okay. Number 2 the parametric equation of Bezier curve. Parametric equation of Bezier curve. Okay. Now solution. So here given data already we have written here. The same thing is given. The general form of parametric equation we have seen in the last lecture. In the last video we have seen the general form of parametric equation is P of u is equal to P0 1 minus u raised to n plus c n comma I P1 u 1 minus u raised to n minus 1 plus c n comma 2, here sorry it is 1 n comma 1 n comma 2 p2 u square 1 minus u n raised to n minus 2 plus so on the next terms, okay, in the last plus c n comma n minus 1 p of n minus 1 u raised to n minus 1 1 minus u plus pn u raised to n. Okay, so this is the general form. The equation is very lengthy. Okay, so here you have to remember that here cn comma 1 is there, cn comma 2, cn comma 3, like that. Here p1 p2 p3 p4 like that. Here 1 minus u raised to n minus 1, then 1 minus u raised to n minus 2, 1 minus u raised to n minus 3, like this. The third term will be there. Okay, and similarly the last term will be pn u raised to n. Okay, so now here n is nothing but the number of points. Sorry, n is nothing but the degree, okay, polynomial degree of the polynomial, and degree of the polynomial n is equal to what? N is degree of polynomials, and it is equal to, if suppose your n number of data points are there, so n will be less than minus 1. Okay, so you have 3 number of points, number of data points minus 1. Okay, so here in this case it is 3 data points are there, so 3 minus 1 will be the n. Okay, so here n is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. N is 2 here in this case. So if we write this equation, and one more thing is there, c. So c is nothing but c n comma I is given by n factorial divided by I factorial into n minus I factorial. Okay. So by using this formula you can calculate n c n comma I. So here n will be n and I will be 1 2 3 4 like this, and c n comma 1, then c n comma 2, c n comma n minus 1, like this. So here you will get the polynomials, you will get the value of c. Okay. So in this case n is 2. Okay, so if we write here, so c n comma n is 2, sorry, so we will write here c 2 comma, now I suppose it is 1, here the last term will be the n minus 1 terms that you have to go. Okay, so n So it is 2 factorial, n is 2 divided by I factorial. I factorial is nothing but 1 factorial into 2 minus 1 factorial. So if you solve it, 2 factorial is 2 into 1 and 1 factorial is 1, and 2 minus 1 means 1, 1 factorial will be 1, so you will get here only 2. So C 2 comma 1 will be 2 only. Okay, so here up to directly first term will be there and the last term will be there. Okay, so we'll write here the parametric equation P of u is equal to, now P0 will be as it is. So here P0 will be as it is. Then after that 1 minus u raised to n. Okay, so 1 minus u raised to n, n is 2. So n is 2 plus, now C n comma 1. So C n comma 1, 2 comma 1 we have calculated, it is 2. So 2 will be there. Oh, sorry. Cn comma 1, 2 is there, so 2. Then after that here P1 is there and u. Okay, so P1 and u will be as it is. Then after that 1 minus u raised to n minus 1. Okay, so 1 minus u raised to n minus 1. Now n is 2 and 2 minus 1 will be 1. Okay, so it will be 1. Now plus the next term is C n comma 2, and 2 comma 2 is not there. Okay, because C n comma 2 P2 u square. So C n comma 2 comma 2 if you are calculating, so 2 comma 2, so here I will be 2, so 2 factorial, and 2 minus 2 will be 0, 0 factorial, so it will become infinity. Something divided by 0 will become infinity. So these terms you have to ignore, only the last term you have to write here, Pn and u raised to n. So here Pn is nothing but P2 and u raised to n is u square. Okay, so this your equation will be reduced to this much only. So where u will vary from 0 to 1. Okay, so equation will become like this. Then if we convert this equation for x and y coordinates, so equation for x coordinates, okay, so it will become Px of u is equal to, now P0, now see here, P0x is 4, P0y is 2, P1x is 0, P1y is 0, and P2x is 2, P2y is 8. Okay, so now P0x 1 minus u square plus 2 into P1x u 1 minus u plus P2x u square. Okay. Now if you substitute here the values P0x, so P0x is 4 comma 1 minus u square plus 2 into 0. Okay, P1x is 0 comma P1 is 0 comma 0, so P1x is 0 into u 1 minus u plus, now P2x is 2 u square. So this complete term will become 0 because here multiplied by 0 is there. So your equation will become 4 1 minus u square plus 2u square. Okay, so this is the equation for x coordinate. Then similarly equation for y coordinate. Okay, equation for y coordinates is Py of u is equal to, now similarly you have to just substitute here, instead of P0x here we will write here P0y 1 minus u square plus 2 P1y u 1 minus u plus P2y u square. Okay, now here P0y P2y, these values we have to substitute, so it is 2 1 minus u square plus 2 into 0 into u 1 minus u plus P2y is 8 u square. Okay, so your equation will become is equal to 2 1 minus u square plus, now this complete term will become 0 8 u square. Okay, so this is Py of u. So equation 1 and equation 2 are nothing but the parametric equations of the curve, parametric equation of Bezier curve. Then after that, the degree of polynomial. So in this you can see a degree is 2. Okay, our degree you can find from this. Degree of polynomial is nothing but degree of polynomial is equal to number of data points minus 1. So this is nothing but the degree of polynomial. This is first we have to calculate, and the second is parametric equations. Okay. So in this way you have to solve the example. Thank you.